Creating a campaign on GetResponse allows you to organize and send emails to your subscribers for marketing, promotions, or updates. Here's how to create a campaign. Log into GetResponse. Go to the GetResponse login page and enter your login details. Create a new campaign. From the dashboard, navigate to Email Marketing and select Create Campaign. Choose Create a new campaign. Name your campaign. Enter a descriptive name for your campaign. This helps you track and organize campaigns later. Set up campaign type. Select the type of emails you want to send, like regular emails for newsletters or other responders for automated follow-up emails. Select your email list. Choose the email list you want to send your campaign to. If you don't have a list, create one by importing or adding contacts. Design your email. Use the drag and drop email editor to design your email. Add images, text, buttons, and other elements to make it engaging. Schedule and send. Once your email is ready, click Next to choose when you want to send it, immediately or on a scheduled date and time. Click Send to launch the campaign. Your campaign is now set up to reach your subscribers.